Good afternoon, my name is Asmi, and I'm in responsibility in sales department. It's a great to have the chance to make the presentation with you today. The topic of the presentation is the vision of smart CNC lathe. With the applications, processing, technology requirements becoming more and more complicated, and stringent L&L has the ability to offer suitable lathes to users. There are 4 parts I will present to you. They are our company introduction, product line, R&D technology, and application industry. Our company established in 1991. We are one of the most reputable heavy-duty CNC lathe factory in Taiwan, who has been engaged in this industry for 3 decades and sold to over 20 countries around the world. We are specializing in high precision and high quality CNC lathes. With our experienced R&D departments and manufacturing departments, our team can achieve the goal according to the user's requirements. If needed, we can design a customized machine. Besides, LL series machines have awarded Taiwan Excellence in 2019 and 2020. And now, let's move on to the next point. Production line, as the diagram is shown. The bottom parts LA and A are our manual lathes. The higher position of the pyramid means high precision lathes and higher price lathes. LC and LD series are precision CNC lathes. LS series are for heavy duty. LFS and LFM are large diameters workpiece. LL is with 5 bedway CNC lathes. During processing, the turrets and the workpiece are without interference. The users can add carriage to set hydraulic steady rest and bearing attachment. LLA, LLB, and LLS series are the extended applications of LL series. Also, they are the application of smart machine. They are all-in-one CNC lathes to meet the unique multi-task requirements, like turning milling, milling turning, boring, drilling, tapping, and grinding function in one machine. Here are several applications in industry. Many of our customers are processing their workpiece for petroleum industry and steel industry. For the petroleum industry, the suitable lathes are LA series, TA, LS, and LL series. For steel industry, the proper lathe is A, MA, LFM, and LLS-M series lathes. LL, LLA, and LLS series lathes are appropriate for rubber and plastic industry to processing the tie bar. LD and LFS are suitable for tailstock industry, and LS and LL are suitable for aviation industry. Multi-X complex is our high-class lathes. LL series are designed with smart machine applications. For the conditions of workpiece, the minimum weight can be 40 tons. The lathe can be 14 meters. The mass bed is one piece manufactured from high-quality Mihanat cast, and the maximum lathe can be 10 meters. Also, the maximum diameter of workpiece is 2,600 millimeters. For the point R&D technology, we can choose a suitable machine according to the following conditions for user, like workpiece width, diameters, and length of workpiece. And also control system can be set with CNC X compound cutting system to achieve the requirement. Next, let's talk about CAD mechanical design. This is structured for LL series machine. It's uniquely designed with a 5-guide wide piece boxway bed structure and boxway cross line where the carriage can run along the 4ZX lathe for bed in front of the workpiece without any interference from the steady rest, boring saddle, or tailstock. And the video is our new design module for easy packing and easy assembling. And next is for long shaft machining. Please see the top view drawing and you will know there are no interference between the workpiece and turret. For the LL series machine, the length of the workpiece can be 3 meters and 14 meters without interference. And we can see the analysis of the structure and optimizations beside an analysis of the machine structure. We can know the loading of the workpiece and then choose the accessory to support the workpiece. This page can let you know that for the concepts the smart machine. For the before selling statement, L&L use VR to show the feature of lathe to the client and agent. The experience can understand the features of the lathe and operate the machine, simulate the machine process. This also can improve the safety during operating. For the smart machine part, we can use CAD, CAE, and CAM to decide. Also set with NC and PC programmer in the machine. This we talk about IoT. For the after-selling statement, L&L offer AR featured machine to provide technological support for after-sale service. Like user can know the life of the spare parts during the machine's process and further understand the structure through explosion drawing. We also develop our app for user and let them use the app to connect with our service system. And we can offer our solution to the users immediately. The last part is the application industry. Our manual lathe CNC lathe can make different industry requirements. Let's see the next page to see process application. As we talked about before, our lathes are widely used in petroleum and steel industry. The hardness of steel workpiece is up to HRC 50 to 60. Our lathes not only apply CAD in precision workpiece processing, but also in heavy industry. To sum up, L&L not only provide the multi-task machining, but also connect with smart technology in the near future. Thank you so much for your attention. If you have any questions, please contact us.